So this is the entrance to the tourist park. Hatwanakorn National Park. So on the way into the national park, you come over this bridge, which crosses the railway line, the main southern railway line that they're just now making into a two-track system. Interesting parts of the trip along the way. Sometimes you go for a holiday and you turn up at some place that you never expected to go, and it turns out to be the best damn place that you've been in a long time. And that's the case today. We've come out here to this national park and it's right here on the beach, not very crowded, and I've just had lunch at the restaurant just over there, and the food was very, very good, spectacular. So come on along, I'll take you for a ride around the nature trail. I'll have a look around the place. So we've worked it out, we've rented a bike, and you just pick whichever bike you want. It's 50 baht for an hour. So here we go. Yeah. Yeah. Camera's probably going to float around a bit for this. So off we go on the nature trail. 3 kilometres, so she said. So seat's a little bit low. My good old e-bike, it's definitely not. We'll go and have a look here. So there's where we start. And if you can read Thai, it's all perfectly okay. Do not keep things natural. Okay? Do not catch aquatic animals. Noise loud prohibited. Do not swim in the nature trail. Okay. Regulations. Where would we be without regulations? Let's go. There. I'll get my feet up on the pedal. Here we go. Right. Now. All very cool. Are we having fun yet? I think so. Stop. Oh, this is better. Those gears are actually pretty helpful. That's really cool. Reduce speed. Sharp curve. Gosh, at this speed I think I can manage it. A nice red danger fence there to stop you from going in the drink. Bridge. Check the view from the bridge of the puddle. Oh, some big birds. Big water birds. kind of low tide, but not a bit muddy. Another nature point observation. Stopover. And a white-throated kingfisher. Of course, why not? And up here, looks like another kingfisher. Oh, yes, but it's just a common kingfisher. They look very cool the way they hover. It'd be fun to find some and watch them. Oh. Oh, steep rise, engage low gear. Big lagoon there. There we go. Definitely can highly recommend this national park. This is one for the people. Little bridge there over to the beach, but is that where I go? Not down there. That must be here. Over the creek. And down we go. Well, back on the Great Ocean Road along here. I suppose this would be the Great Gulf Road. It's the Gulf of Thailand out there. Over here what looks like was a school, but I don't know if it's still a school. Or it could be some kind of a youth camp, education facility perhaps. Very nicely kept. Very beautiful. Visitor centre's right here on our left, from whence I hired this here bike. I'll go and put him back in the shed now. And there's our nature trail start point. Yay, once around's enough for me for one day, I gotta tell you. It's enough. What? And we're just getting down here in time to see all the happy tourists going off to have a day over on the island. And the fun starts right away. You've got to put on your life jacket and be already in your swimming gear and paddle out to the boat. Good sized boat, nice day, and there's the island way out there. Well, that's a big boat, but boy, there's a lot of people. So that's the end of the trip. Just come through the gate again on our way out, going home. So, a good place, highly recommended. Thanks for coming along on the trip. See you in the next video. Bye.